I'll sell it to you for $5.
I have $3 saved up at home.
All right. Go home and get the money.
Wow. What's the point in typing all this out?
Because it's important.
But the rent is reasonable, $45 a month.
And how much to buy it?
$3,200, negotiable.
Oh my God, why not?
There, 3 months advance rent.
Thank you!
That spring, when the sun shone more brightly than any other spring before, we were all convinced that our story,
Be careful, the ceiling could fall. Come on.
it was the house Legs had chosen for us.
Lana, how much is there?
$120.56.
That's incredible.